Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever been working on a complex project in Adobe Photoshop and realized you needed several variations, or perhaps a backup file before you start experimenting with non-destructive edits, you know how tedious it can be to save multiple versions manually. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to duplicate a Photoshop document without any hassle. This process is perfect for keeping your original work safe while you try out new creative ideas. If this video helps you master your workflow today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tips. Let's dive straight into the first method. The most common way to do this is through the top menu. First, ensure you have your document open and active in the workspace. Navigate up to the top menu bar and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate. A dialog box will instantly appear on your screen. Here, you have the option to rename your new file to something that will help you stay organized. Once you have typed in your desired name, just click OK. Photoshop will then create an exact copy of your entire document in a brand new tab, leaving your original file untouched and ready to go. Now, if you are looking for a much faster way to do this, there is a shortcut workflow that I personally use every single day. Look at the very top of your canvas area, where you see the Project File tabs. Instead of going through the menu, simply right-click directly on the name of the document tab you have open. A small context menu will appear and you will see the Duplicate option right there. Click on it, name your document in the resulting dialog box, and hit OK. That is all there is to it. This second method is incredibly efficient when you are juggling multiple open files and need to iterate quickly without breaking your concentration. By using these two techniques, you can keep your workspace clean and your design drafts organized. Always remember that creating backups through duplication is a fundamental skill for every designer to prevent accidental data loss. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more content like this, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thanks for watching and happy creating!